we were talking about how there was like this one YouTube channel that we watched. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh, I know what you're trying to. I know that fucking I. As soon as my ass left the chair, as soon as I left the chair and I heard that there was a specific knocking noise that just made me like it. I knew it clicked in my head. You little fucking cunt. You little fucking cunt. You're immune to that because you live alone. You better be careful. What if it's actually real? What if it's real and you end up getting kidnapped or something? Because you thought it was fake. Huh?